Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an upper control arm. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and you have all necessary tools. Gather your safety gear, including gloves and eye protection. Lift the front of the vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands. Remove the front wheel to gain access to the suspension components. This preparation is crucial for a safe and efficient repair. Now, let's remove the old control arm. Begin by loosening and removing the nut from the upper ball joint. You might need a ball joint separator tool for this step. Next, locate and remove the two main mounting bolts that secure the control arm to the frame. Once these bolts are out, carefully maneuver the old control arm out of its position. Take care not to damage other components. With the old arm removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new upper control arm into place, aligning the mounting holes. Insert the two main mounting bolts and hand tighten them for now. Next, guide the new upper ball joint stud through the spindle and secure it with its new nut. Ensure all components are seated correctly before proceeding to final tightening. To complete the job, torque all the control arm mounting bolts and the ball joint nut to the manufacturer's specified values. This is critical for safety and proper function. Reinstall the wheel, ensuring the lug nuts are tightened correctly. Finally, lower your vehicle safely. Remember, after any suspension work, it is highly recommended to get a professional wheel alignment to ensure proper handling and tire wear.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.